Well, we couldn't
Well,
put
we can't put water
in the lock side.
Otherwise, it turns to ice.
It says 1 gallon.
Yeah, no, but there's fuel going in the dragon.
Yep.
Oh, I forgot to start my Raspberry Pi cams.
Red team verify your hose is attached.
Your hose is attached.
Copy.
Doesn't remember you're going to be doing the igniter.
Yep.
I'll yell fire.
Yep.
It's real, boys.
Oh, we still have to load locks.
Copy. Red team close B4.
B4 is closed.
We're right down 34 pounds.
Red team remove B4 funnel from system.
It's also monitor to make sure that doesn't dip.
Yeah, everyone should be watching that.
Pressurize.
Phones removed.
Don't get time.
Copy. GC close PV7.
Closing P7.
Alright, moving on to locks load. GC create new DAC log file.
New DAC log file 1225.
Are we live?
Yeah,
On
we're
verify steps and op if you haven't completed. Red team done all PPE listed for op 60, including face shield, ear protection, leather gloves, apron, and lab coat. Let me know when you're done.
They've been locks and not concrete, but.
Someone give me a read on the doer pressure.
It's still reading 135.
Copy.
Take it. As long as our fence open, it should be fine. What? As long as our fence open.
When we load locks, yeah.
Don't worry.
Red team, let me know when PPE is donned.
That's the good stuff. How much does a pound of...
Red team's ready for lock load.
What's the pounds to kilograms? Sorry, 1 kilograms. So kilograms to pounds. And I want 2.2 kilograms times 2.2 kilograms times 3. So 6.6 kilograms.
Yeah.
Copy. Verified doer is attached to doer and test stand.
Hold.
Can you give that back again?
Give us a second. We're checking both sides of the doer hose.
What? Checking both sides.
I double checked the one on Draco, so that's fine.
Okay, we're ready.
Copy. GC PV3 open valve. Opening PB3.
PB3 is open.
Red team verify PB4 is closed.
PB4 is closed.
Red team verify B2 is closed.
B2 is closed.
Red team verify PB9 is closed.
PB9 is closed.
Red team B1 open valve.
B1 is open.
Red team slowly open the Dewar liquid needle valve. We will be verifying tank weight is increasing, and red team slightly actuate valves by hand, B1 and B2, and the needle valve on the liquid side every couple minutes to keep from freezing over.
Opening liquid valve on Dewar.
Also keep an eye out for leaks. Can I get a read back again? Did you say something?
No.
Alright, we're reading 4 pounds. Because we're reading 100 psi and it's gonna oscillate.
Actuating B1, B2.
Copy.
Dewar fully open.
Copy. Can I get a reading on the pressure builder? Pressure?
120.
It's gonna oscillate like that because it's just gonna build up pressure in the tank.
Actuating B1, B2.
Yeah, I was trying to cool down.
That's our team. We're killing my oscillator.
Alright, reading about 6 pounds of locks in the system. Red team, are you seeing any visible cryo leaks? Fuck your bro.
Honestly, I'm soaked.
Soap is leaving.
Yeah, right. You're reading 9 pounds? We are down about
Actuating B1, B2.
down about a pound from fuel.
Are we?
Right at 34.
Oh yeah. Shit.
So get Matt to go and check fuel side and go to the
Matt, can you please go examine the fuel side and check it for any leaks? We need a slight weight change. Might also just be the push pressure.
We even know that.
Matthew LeBombard, can you go check the fuel side to look for any fuel side leaks? Reading 11 pounds.
Confirm. You want to see if there's any leaks on the fuel side or from the fuel side perspective?
I'm looking for any fuel leaks on the fuel side. Do you see any cooling IPA on the bottom?
Actuating B1, B2.
Copy.
Negative. No leaks on the fuel side.
Copy, thank you. Yeah, I think reading 13 pounds.
We got up to 150 or something.
Can I get a reading on Dewar pressure?
It's reading 100.
That pressure builder is not good.
It's just not working, yeah.
But we're loading all, so that's what matters.
The thermocouples are working decently. We're almost at 0
Nice.
on the tank pod.
If we ever figure out if the engine come a couple extra steps?
Not if you're doing
Don't focus on those gas.
Sir, can you speak over the walkie-talkies? It's hard to hear.
Activating V1, V2. Yeah, for awareness, we're seeing like a little bit of vapor coming off the pipes, or the tubing, some of the fittings on the bottom side of the system, but it's not coming off the top. I'm pretty sure that's just because it's colder on the bottom of the system. Yeah, so we should be fine.
Copy. Is it coming from one discernible source?
All throughout the lock flow bus, and then there's a little more coming off of the GIC and NPC fittings off the downstream side of the lock station. They're on the system side.
Copy. Yeah, we'll UAI that.
Awareness, we're at -23 on box negative.
It's a big deal. I don't think it's a leak.
Copy. We're reading 20 pounds of locks.
Actuating V1, V2.
Make sure we are ready to.
yeah. When you ask them to do it, get Matt to reg up because I wanted Jack to do it, but he's too slow.
Yep.
So get Matt to do it.
Fuel tank came back up.
Yep.
And then just crossed it.
Yep. Reading 23 pounds.
Alright, make sure I do the auto sequence test with the third cluster. Or muscle us. We're in Oxidizer.
You're talking about the Goxford?
Yeah, we can let's auto sequence that.
Okay. We can.
We'll do 3 seconds, and if that's not enough, we can.
Actuating V1, V2.
Copy. Okay. Just want to make sure you know that you're not going to run the Hotfire auto sequence.
Yeah.
Do not run that until
Yeah.
we know. Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
I'll do my best.
Just wanted to be very, very clear about
Yep.
that. I assume you knew.
Yep.
Reading 27 pounds.
We get callbacks from Canada now about the loaded auto sequence, so we should be able to verify that.
Reading 30 pounds, about halfway. Yeah, it's way slower.
For awareness, the pressure is 90 on the viewer.
Copy. That pressure. I think that pressure is
Actuating V1, V2.
And they're closing whenever it's closed. About 15 minutes from Hotfire.
Yep.
We didn't check the valves. We the body.
Reading 35 pounds.
Just be ready with the filming.
In the event of abort, in the event I fall abort, hit the abort button. Be ready for me to call for open as well. If we lose command of the system, do not open the vents. We don't want to push any lock out.
What are we loading to?
We're loaded to 60 pounds. It's just taking forever because our pressure. I think our pressure builder on the viewer is closed.
Is it?
It's not behaving properly.
What is it at?
It's full open and it's not building pressure.
Okay, B1, B2.
Copy.
Those doors come with different pop-off valves. I've seen them just, you know, that might be its max pressure.
It may be, yeah.
Yeah. Some of them are 250, some of them are less.
This one's 230.
Okay.
Yeah, I specified that and it says on here.
Okay.
Yeah, 230 psi safety.
Okay.
Next time it might be worth getting a 331.
Alright, I'm reading about 43 pounds.
Remember the tension bridges don't really have much.
The tent's going, the tent's going.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't.
Okay, yeah.
Don't try. Yeah.
I wonder what people's reaction is.
Locking. Hey, hold on, guys, focus. Reading 47 pounds. I think the locks will be on the tank bottom. I can see it.
Want to have more than check?
Check what? They can't spray with that.
Oh, look, yeah, dude.
They already said that they saw like paper coming on the roof. I don't want to check them. I'm reading 50 pounds, 10 pounds to go.
Activating B1, B2.
Hey, at least it's swimming not towards the runway.
Yeah. Do we have like stock sheets with the photo of the bottom of the box?
No, I won't focus. 58 pounds.
We're almost completely ready.
Have you seen anything on the PTZ?
Kind of a weird angle to get past too much.
Activating B1, B2.
Okay, I'm reading 60 pounds. We're going to keep going for a little bit more. Target is 65, but we'll probably play a little short.
Copy. Your pressure is at 90.
a helicopter that are really bad.
No cameras live in college protocol.
Trey, you on me too?
Copy.
Like, you know, you too. See that little bit of paper coming off the bottom of the lock mechanism? But we'll run with it.
Alright, red team. Go ahead and close the Dewar liquid valve and pressure builder valve.
Closing your valve.
Do we want 52 seconds for the sake of safety and sanity?
Nope, we don't want anything else. 3 seconds. I want that.
And make, what, 10 pounds of fuel?
Pressure builder and liquid valve are both closed.
Copy. Red team, close V2.
Closing V2.
We'll close V1 first.
Sorry, never mind.
Red team, close V1, then open V2.
V1 is closed. Opening V2.
We still have locks near the Dewar hose itself, so we'll have to open V1 again. And open V2.
No, the V2 is upstream of the V1. You shouldn't have to open V1. Red team is V2 open.
V2 is open.
Alright, once lock stops draining from the vent, close V2.
Repeat that.
Once lock stops draining from the vent, close V2. Red team, what's going on? What are you guys looking at?
We're losing locks late.
V2 is closed.
Yeah,
Yeah, guys, we gotta hurry quick. Close V2.
Closing V2. V2 is closed.
Don't go.
Carefully detach Dewar side hose and hang off test stand.
Probably not the next and then something to do with it.
Upon removal of the Dewar hose, Jackson and Sakshi start moving the Dewar away, 100 feet away.
We move it. Just yeah, just go over. I was just gonna make one of the things. I want it as far away as possible.
Someone asked how to move the line.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
2 feet ago.
Can you please take a picture of the leak, or what you think of the leak, just for future reference?
Dewar hose is off. Hang on the front.
Copy, start moving Dewar 100 feet away from test stand. I want Jackson and Sakshi doing that.
There's quite a bit of oil on.
The vent is still open.
Yeah.
No, it's pretty flush.
Don't move it to the generator. Move it to the same spot you got it from, quickly.
Okay, as Dewar's being moved, Matt, you and I start running off 70. GC crate, new neck log file.
New DAG log file 1248.
Verify all steps and Op 6 have been completed. Red team, gun all PPE listed for Op 70, including face shield, ear pro, cryo gloves, apron, lab coat. Report back. Copy. Red team, slowly regulate outlet pressure of R2 to 815 psi. I repeat, 815 psi. I will give callbacks as needed.
Bridging R2 to 815 psi.
100. 150. 200. 250. 300. 350. 450. 500. Okay. 550. 600. 650. 650. Keep going. 750. 800. Keep going. 800. 800, 805, 810, 812. Just a little bit more. Keep going. 813. 814. Alright, I'm good there. 815, stop. Red team, regulate R3 to max of regulator 200 psi. R3.
Regulate R3.
Hold on 1 second. I'm just calling up.
Alright, I'm seeing 200 in the purge bus.
R3 is fully open.
Red team, regulate R1 to an outlet pressure of 825 psi. I repeat, 825 psi on R1.
Regulating R1 to 825 psi.
50. 100. 150. 200. 250. 300. 350. 400. 450. 500. 550. 600. 650. 700. 750. 800. 808. 810. 812. 813. 814. 815. Keep going. We're going to 825. 816. 820. 822. 823. 824. Stop. Okay, Kira's running back. All personnel retreat to control room.
Just fit. Be ready.
Alright, so, Hotfire sequence. We have a 200-second fuel lead, or sorry.
200 milliseconds, 3 seconds fire.
200 second millisecond lead for what? For Ox lead?
Ox lead.
Okay, good. 3 second fire, 4 second forward shutdown. Alright, here's how the Hotfire is going to go. We are going to do a 200 millisecond Ox lead 3-second Hotfire, followed by a quarter-second fuel rich shutdown. GC, verified PB7 closed.
PB7 is closed.
GC, verified PB8 is closed.
PB8 is closed.
Pressurizing fuel tank. GC, open at 6.
Opening at 6.
Alright, tank pressures are stabilizing out at 797 psi. Moving on to pressurizing the LOX tank. GC, PB3, verify closed.
PB3 is open.
Close PB3.
Closing PB3.
GC, verify PB4 is closed.
PB4 is closed.
GC, verify PB9 is closed.
PB9 is closed.
Pressurizing LOX tank. GC, open S5.
Opening S5.
Fuel tank weight is looking good.
Yeah. Alright, we're not seeing anything on the PTZ yet. Oh, there's a... Oh, shit. Shit. It's... What is it?
No.
Close.
It's fine. No, it's not fine.
That's Dewar hose.
Dewar?
Is that Dewar hose?
It's fine, we're running.
What do you mean we're running? There's a bunch coming out of the Dewar hose.
coming out
That's
of
way
the
too
Dewar-
much. Dewar
Okay.
hose. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Close it.
Close press valve.
Closing press valve.
Coming out the Dewar hose?
Yep. Dewar hose is what we're seeing over here. And then there's
Okay. We're gonna hold here.
yeah.
Do not go out there. I'm not. What is it? How would it leak out the Dewar hose?
I don't know.
It might not be it.
Yep.
There's a check valve, and the valve should be closed. B1 should be closed.
It should be closed. I don't know. Unless there's another fitting down there. It's not. It's from the vicinity of the Dewar hose on the PTZ. That's why I'm saying it.
Okay. Hey, does anybody with binoculars over at the Dewar area see where the LOX leak's coming from? If we can verify the position, we might be able to run with this. What's tank weight? Tank weight is slowly dropping.
Be careful. This is a lot of shit coming out of there. I don't want to fuck something up that's a lot more expensive to me.
Dewar area, do you guys see the leak?
Can't tell where it's coming from.
I see the hose. I don't know. I can't tell what it's connected to. But it's this hose.
That's a Dewar hose it's hanging from.
Yeah.
Yeah, but is it actually coming from the Dewar?
Yes.
It looks like from the tank. I would believe that more than from the Dewar.
No, the tank is way over here.
It's not the tank.
It's like...
No, it's just coming out there than leaving.
Copy. Make sure your face shield is on.
Yeah, that's the Dewar hose.
Got it. How would that? It would have to overcome C4 and B1.
It's not leaking out of anywhere.
It looks close.
Is our tank weight going down?
Our LOX is.
How's our pressure looking?
It's degrading.
By how much?
First of all, this is the Dewar hose. This is way too much for it to not have lock flowing through it, even if it's just a little bit.
Can you confirm it is in fact coming from the Dewar hose?
Confirming it is coming from the Dewar hose.
Ow. Okay. We are going to open the vents and depress. Hold on, guys. Let's focus. GC, verify S6 is closed. Close S6.
Closing S6.
GC, verify S5 is closed.
S5 is closed.
GC, verify PB1, PB5 are closed.
PB1, PB5 are closed.
GC, verify PB4 and PB8 are closed.
PB4 and PB8 are closed.
GC, open PB3.
Opening PB3.
Loud venting! GC, open PV7.
Opening PV7.
This is gonna be loud. Matt, can you see the binoculars from there if B1 is in fact closed? I said B1. The manual ball valve at the bottom of the lock tank, where the door hose is. Alright, red team, down all TP and be ready to approach his man. You have to have lots of stuff on though.
Okay.
Copy, you and Sock Share good to approach the system with caution. I want to bring down the rigs. I want to set the rigs just so we don't have pressure behind there. Careful. Yeah, careful. Jack, you're missing a glove. What do you want to do about the rigs? I want to bring it down. Matt, can you verify B1 is closed? How the hell is it coming out of the door hose?
Check valve must have.
But how is it coming through a
The
closed
ball valve.
valve?
Unless the ball is the ball valve not fully closed?
It can't be. Did the handle get moved? Like, is it?
When they were putting on that check valve, they had to take off the face covering, but maybe the seal's bad on that check valve.
No,
that ball valve.
I'm more likely to believe that the handle got flipped. They took off the handle. So it's
Yeah, but we wouldn't have been filling when it was open.
Could have just
That's
gone
true.
slowly. It was just like tilted 45 degrees.
Or like when they took off the face covering, it could have lost the seal. That's why we're seeing it slow.
Okay, hold on. Here's what we'd see. If we open up B1 right now, and then it's in fact open week 2, and there was a leak. How is he checking a check? How would we load locks if we flew backwards through a check valve?
Apparently it has a backwards pressure field. Is what you were saying?
I think we were exceeding that.
Yeah, we would have been pressed up to 800.
No, very much so.
No, we didn't overcome.
Okay, I pointed the hose away from the test stand now, and I verified that the check valve was on correctly and is in the right direction, and it is.
Alright, Jack, go ahead and actuate B1. Open B1. We're depressed right now. Vents are open. Regs are still set.
I opened it, nothing came out. Stuff came out the door hose, it was audible. We still have a little bit of stuff coming out of the door hose now, we can hear it.
And B1 is open, right?
B1 is closed. B1 was open, nothing came out, so I've closed it again. If you would like me to open it, I can.
Yeah, open it, and Matt, verify if there's still some stuff coming out.
Opening.
They set the tanks to 100 psi, see if that moves.
Yep, there's venting out of the door hose.
And it's in the open position, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now close B1.
B1 closed.
Okay, I want to let it sit here, and I want to verify that. Actually, no, now that we're at this state, red team retreat back to the control room. I want to press it up and see if we can, now that we have the door hose clamped down, I want to see if we in fact see locks coming out of the door hose. You can see it right now. Well, that's just, that might be foil off for all we know. You guys closed B1, right? B1 is closed. Okay. Okay, we need to talk about what we're going to do if we press up and we do see the leak coming out of the sewer hose.
I think maybe just the crack pressure of that check valve is too low. By pressing up.
Okay, but I'm not worried about the check valve. I'm worried about the fact that we're leaking through a bowl valve. We can debrief everything, but if we press up the tanks right now, and lock starts coming out of the door hose.
If you're not seeing a tank weight decrease,
we are seeing a tank weight decrease.
Is it enough to throw off OF for the engine?
Maybe.
Because if it's negligible, then we could run because the LOX is going behind the engine.
Yeah, it's negligible. We're not going to get good data.
We'll run cold, but running cold is better than, I'd say not running at all. That's just another point in our box.
Yeah, but we're not going to know the mass flow we have going.
We don't know.
Well, we know the mass flow rate before we open the valves.
It's going to be the same thing as with water flow.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we are all in agreement that if we see a LOX coming out, not as long as it's not pulling major puffs. If we see a little bit of LOX coming out the door hose, we run.
Yeah, out of the door hose. If we see it anywhere else,
we approach from there.
Okay.
Alright.
Keep close to the BTC again.
GC, close PB7.
Closing PB7.
GC, close PB3.
Closing PB3.
GC, open S6.
Opening S6.
Pressurizing lock tank.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, yes, it is.
Sorry, that's GC, open S5.
Opening S5.
Yep. Got the door hose.
Alright, it is in fact out of the door hose.
Yeah, I say that's runnable.
No, that's
Fucking Rasmus A6 right here.
It's
Alright, tanks are pressed. LOX tank is still pressing up slightly. We're going to let it sit for a bit more.
What's our expected LOX consumption?
2 kilograms per second. So we have plenty of LOX. Not plenty, but we have some. GC, open PV1 and PV5.
Opening PB1 and PB5.
We're going to skip the compressor. Yep, part.
Moving into Hotfire off. GC, create new deck log file.
Creating new deck log file 1306.
Verify all steps in Op 70 have been completed. They have been completed. Alright, someone get some binoculars out to view it.
we have some all over there.
Okay, that's fine.
GC, conduct PB9 LOX purge sequence.
Conducting GOX purge sequence. Firing.
Yeah, don't do another one of those. Okay. Alright, we are going to begin the hot fire sequence. Just to verify, PB1 and PB5 are open, S5, S6 are open. Justin, go ahead and give us a 5-second countdown, and then I will yell fire, and you will start the auto sequence.
Ignition in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Copy. What's the voltage at?
31.
Okay.
What's the current at?
5.1.
Okay, try it again.
Ignition in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
All this current drops to 0. We check continuity.
Yeah, someone get him the wolf meter right now. We're looping lost here.
Jackson made a good point. Maybe when he lifted it, it disconnected a little bit.
Yeah.
Do you want
Well, we had to depress the tank to do that.
Yeah,
It's disconnected. Okay. Red team, one of you don PPE. We're gonna have you trace the wire. We're gonna have to depress the tanks. All right. GC shut PB1, PB5.
Closing PB1, PB5.
How much pounds of locks do you need? I need you to calculate that right now. Use 2.25 kilograms. PB1, PB5 shut.
PB1, PB5.
GC shut. S5, S6.
Closing S5, S6.
Wait. So it's 7.
Yeah, a little under 7 pounds.
We're under a lock stage. Wait.
For 3-second fire.
Wait, are you guys depressed yet?
No, we're not. Stay. GC open PB7.
Opening PB7, live venting.
I might use lost. Never mind. I'm using kilograms. Not reading.
That's kilograms per second. Nothing per pounds. Yeah. GC open PB3.
Opening PB3. Live venting.
Okay. Yeah, we do.
We know the lock.
Yeah, we know the lock. Yes. Red team, trace the wire and verify that the igniter is plugged in.
Two of them need to go to the lock.
Yeah, 2 of them. Okay, Sakshi and Jackson, you guys go do the lock steward.
Sachi Jackson! You up!
Matt, make sure you do not go to the front of the engine. Follow the wire. Stop running. Just follow the wire.
It's where the orange meets the blue.
Oh, you see it disconnected?
Hang on.
No.
It's right there.
No.
Oh, sorry, so I was in the wrong one.
Is it plugged in, Matt?
You're talking about the takeover connection.
Yeah, is the wire plugged in?
Yeah, it looks like it. Draw you close to the standard now, yeah.
Approach the stand with extreme caution. Do not go to the front of the engine.
Copy.
I still don't have continuity.
Yeah, if you had continuity before, it's probably just cooked.
Do you have continuity before you press fire?
I had continuity like before we got into like pressing up and stuff.
Okay, so that means we overdid the.
We did it on the exact same settings as we did. That's
All connections look good from what I can safely see.
Okay, what do we do here? Do we stick new logs in
We would stick a new log. Yeah.
while we lock close?
That means you have to be in front of the engine.
Depress. Run valve closed.
Vents are open.
Vents are open. If Matt,
Any permission to reach your room to verify that those connections right near the nozzle exit are good?
should he pull out the igniter? Just pull out the logs by the wire?
Yeah, if he can. Or we could just stick
Alright,
out
Matt,
whole
here's what we're gonna do. I want you to... Actually, wait. Hold on.
We could just stick a
Stick more in.
stick one
Yeah.
more.
Do you see the connection, like the power pole connection that connects the igniter to the rest of the wire? Okay, go ahead and disconnect that. Hey, don't go out there. Have him come to you.
No, I know. I'm just checking my video.
Yeah. Copy. Thank you. Back away from the front of the stand. Come back to the control room and grab the new igniter from Justin.
So for this next one, we can do 4 amps. Just to be safe.
Are you sure that we ran it on the exact
Sure,
thing?
we always do 5.1. 31. Confident in that because that's what we always been testing.
I'll leave it up to you.
And are we good to attach
Want me to pull the
the
other one out?
Just put this one.
Yes, go ahead and attach Dewar hose.
You might need to have something prodded in. It's gonna be real hard to get the old one out.
First, Sakshi, verify B2 is closed and B1 is open.
Because it's gonna be really hard to get it.
Okay, Matt, so without standing in front of the engine, just plop that into the nozzle very quickly and then connect the wires.
There's stuff coming out of the zero hose still, so you should close B1, attach zero hose, and then open B1.
That is acceptable. Close B1.
Hey, I got ash that came off on this when I was trying to put it in.
What? Ash that came off what? The igniter? What do you mean ash that came off as you put it in?
Yeah, it's like a bunch of brown deposits on the entire igniter as I took it out. It could be from the previous fire.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Is the igniter in the engine?
He's putting it in. Forward. Why is he pushing so hard?
Igniter's in the engine. I'm going to connect the power.
Copy.
Justin, verify there's no current or voltage going to the box.
Verified, correct.
Thank you. One of the leads came off.
Give him another one. Alright, return back to control room and grab a new igniter. Do you have another one?
They will be in the trailer.
Are they not right there?
These are, because we have two sets of igniters. We have two sets of igniters.
Okay, so there's more in the trailer though?
There is our old ones in the trailer.
Okay, go with Ryan Ray. Get him.
Justin, no, Ryan, you get that.
Oh, in the office? Okay, just go.
Oh.
Justin, you go. Justin.
Oh,
or send someone you trust.
Matt, or Jack, you grabbed the ones from yesterday.
Yeah.
You put them in the.
Yeah, they should be. I think they were in the back of the cab. They're in the cab.
Sorry, Rick, can you repeat that?
Yeah, I think so.
Zero hose is on
Can you go and check?
Also, Jackson needs a radio.
Fuck me.
What was that thing about Jackson?
Jackson needs a radio.
Alright, yes, we can have Matt bring you another radio. We have a radio.
No, I do.
Alright, run out and go get them that radio. Alright, he's bringing out a new radio. GC, create new deck log file. We are on off 60, lock load.
New deck log file 1317.
Verifying all steps in off 50 have been completed. They have been completed. Red team verifies Dewar is safely attached to the Dewar hose is attached to the Dewar and the stand. Copy. GC open PV3.
PV3 is open.
Copy. Red team verify PV4 is closed. Red team V2 verify car is closed. Red team, DB9, verify closed. Red team, D1, open valve.
Open V1. V1 is open.
Red team, slowly open the Dewar liquid needle valve.
I'll also open the pressure builder since we closed that earlier.
Yep, go ahead and open the pressure builder as well. Are you glad we didn't start venting the Dewar tank?
Pressure builder opening up the top.
No, it's in the office.
No, that's the box, but we had the 2 bags.
Yeah, I put a bag in the back. In the cab.
Did they take it out and put it over there? Also, Matt,
Maybe.
is this the one that you took out of the engine? And
That's
the one that you put in the engine still in there?
Yeah, it's got black lead on the powerful.
The actual fact sheet, there's a bag by the
one
red
that is-
dummies. Can you check if that's an igniter bag?
And there's one wire exposed on it. I can't reach it exactly.
30 seconds.
Pressure's at 75.
What's the fill level?
I'll be honest, I don't know how to read that.
Okay, so that tube that I told you about that's on the top, depending on where the little like top bung looks like.
Wait.
Break.
We're gonna deal with igniter. Max, go ahead and insert the igniter carefully into the engine.
Jackson 71 top right.
Copy. Copy. You are good to connect power poles. No power going to the box. The igniter's like 2 weeks old.
How long I'm checking?
He's checking now. Locks are reading 40 pounds for awareness. No?
I want to go out there and verify that something isn't, because for 3 of the igniters not to have continuity is impossible, especially when it had continuity when it was here.
What can we do besides trace the wire?
It could be the connection between the actual power grain and the power pole on the power grain itself.
If he knows how to plug in a power pole, it should be fine.
It should be fine.
But you have no continuity.
I have zero
Are
continuity.
you measuring resistance?
I have zero continuity, zero resistance. Oh.
Do you have resistance?
Yeah.
Reading 46 pounds.
I do have resistance.
What is it reading?
It's reading something 480.4, which is never
Mega ohms, ohms, what are we talking here?
ohms, which is usually 3.1, or sorry, 8.1, the entire wire.
Is the wire, do we have any exposed wire making contact with the body?
Just to confirm, please check continuity for the pyro.
In work. We're at 53 pounds.
There should be no exposed wire, everything's insulated from...
Please check continuity for the pyro.
I said it's in work. We are working on it right now.
Actually, you want me to?
Copy.
I mean, I'm reading resistance, which means it's not shorting. Well, it is shorting technically, because when you have a nitro connected to a closed loop circuit, it is shorting technically. But I can't verify if it's actually.
Yeah, and we have no way to verify that. we have to just try to run as is.
Yeah,
And if it doesn't work, we throw. Can you try and metric continuity on one of the other igniters? Or is it out there? Matt, can you bring back one of the last igniters?
Well, not the one that you just put.
Yeah, no, one of the fresh ones at the table. Yeah, bring those back. Red team, we're reading 61 pounds. Alright, don't talk to me about igniters right now. I gotta focus on
Want someone to help with the lock door first, and then I'll bring those back.
No, have Sakshi and Jackson handle the doer. You bring back the igniter.
Step on the power wire and make sure it doesn't pull anything out if you roll over it.
Bring back the igniter. Alright, red team. Close the doer liquid valve and pressure builder.
Closing pressure builder. Closing liquid valve. Liquid valve closed.
Copy. Red team. Close B1, then quickly open B2 and wait for a lock to stop draining from the vent.
Closing B1, opening B2.
Well, the lock's ragged down. It's reading 880. I have to rag it down. Alright, red team, close B2.
Closing B2. B2 closed.
Red team, carefully detach doer side hose and hang off test stand. Actually, don't hang off the test stand, do the block pointed away from the test stand that we did last time.
I'm getting nominal continuity on this one.
On that one?
Yeah. There's one in the chamber right now that he just put in that was from this bag.
Well, you're getting nominal continuity with that one?
Yeah.
From, like, the one from the bag? See,
Yeah.
you do have exposed wire. See? That's what I'm talking about. If that's touching the casing, that will short and add resistance.
But it's phenolic on the inside, so it can't touch the...
If it's touching something.
But it's literally a log on top of a log that's not. It has,
I don't know. I'm trying to think of the only thing that has resistance.
Yeah.
You just want to wrap that in like painter's tape and put it in.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Cover the short. Get a painter's tape quick.
It's all the stand.
Okay. So have Matt do it. Here, let me see.
So that means we'll have a high power.
Jesus. Okay, you get much.
Hey, Matt, come back to get the new power drain.
With tape, with tape.
Bring blue painter's tape.
What? Is that just a
Do you want the power drain on standby, or do you also want to put it in?
What was that?
Do you want the power drain on standby, or do you also want to put it in the engine?
We're gonna put it in the engine. If you can't find painter's tape, just come back. That's okay. Stick it in before that.
Yeah, but we're seeing 500.
Yeah, but we're seeing insane amount of resistance. Here. Painter's tape right there. I need you to focus.
Yeah.
Your T-con on the credit.
Wait, done.
Okay. Here, tape it up.
It's not going to be here one. You want to check it out.
When you go out there, Matt, plug the igniter wire into itself first, and have Justin measure continuity to make sure the wire isn't like snipped or something.
Good idea.
You also want to do over this side now, so we don't run the risk of taking something.
Red team, how's it going with the doer?
Yep.
Okay, red team, do not move the doer back to the original spot. Move it over by the generator.
Go, go.
First do the wire connection thing. I want to see if the wire is fucked.
We need to reset cameras or what.
Okay, let's go now. Matt, make sure you plug the wire into itself first. The power pole's connected to itself. Power poles can do it. It's 69 still.
The wires don't the exact source of the resistance is the fact that the powerful plastic part will just completely loose from the metal.
I can't understand. What are you saying?
The plastic powerful cover completely came off very easily.
Okay, so do you think that's why? Like, is the physical copper still touching everything? Did anyone understand what that's?
I think the power pole.
I think the power pole like literally ripped off of the end of like the end of the.
So the wire is completely disconnected, Matt?
Yeah.
All the wires are completely disconnected. 1 second. You're referring to the copper connected to the silver vessel that goes in the plastic powerful connection?
Are you saying that the power pole itself is completely disconnected?
Yeah, the plastic cover on the power pole just came off. I'm looking at a raw wire right now.
Okay, is the raw wire completely touching though? Like, can you see that the igniter wire is completely touching to the other wire?
So power pole has like a metal connection and the plastic housing. So sometimes they have to brace the metal connector will like slip out.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I can bring it back after I connect the other one.
no, don't connect the other one.
Like pull out.
Yeah, so then it won't connect.
So we can just
I call it. Copy. So do not remove the current igniter. Do not put the new one in. I want you to get scissors, and I want you to cut the power pole connection that is completely broken off. Strip the copper on either side with your nail or with the scissors, and then twist the copper together.
On the table.
Connect the wires that should be together. Should I go out there?
Yeah, do it.
Is he copying? Do you think he's
No, go. Just go.
Matt, do you understand what we're saying, or do you want me to come out?
I'll confirm it verbally. So there's one wire on the wire that goes back to Justin. You want me to cut the power pole off of that and expose the copper. And then I go to the power pole that's on the pyro grade itself, cut off any of the ends, expose the copper, and then I thread those two separate wires to start their copper together.
Yeah, is it just so the power pole has two different plugs? Is it like both the black and the red are plastic cover coming up, or is it just one of the blacks, just one of the red?
Well, there's two reds. There's also pyro, but it's just one of them that came off.
Okay, so then only do the one that came off. Don't do the other power pole connection. Does that make sense?
Yes, but how am I going to connect it to the wire that goes back to Justin? Is it just one on each side then?
Just go out. Yeah, just go.
Okay, let me give you their equipment. They're coming out.
Aim's gonna come out to supervise. Don't do anything yet.
Monitor locks tank weight, monitor pressures.
Yeah. If it's just the igniter side, then just put a new igniter in.
Okay. Yeah.
Verify that first.
where do we have a new igniter here? Where's the new igniter?
Oh, yeah. He took the new igniter.
Okay,
with him.
okay.
He has the new igniter on there.
Hey, take those off. You're not gonna have some shit with those on.
Can you guys understand me?
Yeah, we got you loud and clear.
So when he yanked it out, his end was okay.
The end of the payment.
Yeah. And he had the other end.
How did you connect the nitrous to the copper?
We twist the nichrome into the copper itself and create and then it creates like a bond together when we twist it. So we take the end of the nichrome. So when we braid the nichrome first, 16 nichrome, then we braid the nichrome and the copper together. Yeah, and then took the
Oh, start soldering them.
yeah. Okay.
So strange. How come not you guys 24?
Because soldering them, I mean,
Can you do that part in the lab? You can just bring this up. It doesn't matter.
we have soldering.
Wait, don't we do that part in the lab?
No, we usually do this in the lab, and it's not going to be
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. The last time Paul said don't solder nichrome and copper.
Why are we at 884 psi? What is that? That's fantastic.
Yeah, we're not sure why that got up so high. We're gonna reg it down. Actually, no. We were planning on regging that down. We're just finishing with the igniter stuff first. We don't know why it got that high, but we'll reg it down.
So we're in it here at 53 pounds watts. Copy.
We need about 20. We need 14.5 to run, but we're gonna have a lot of leakage from that Dibber, so. Why don't you grab me a water if you don't mind?
Right here.
Oh, appreciate it. It's so much.
We got one.
Can you get me one?
This is my stressful.
Tonight's 3:30, but I'm not sure what time we would like.
Yeah, we're gonna get this temperature and the temperature.
What about like if we have a hot fire by like 2:15, we've got to call it. We have no time. Because if we do hot fire by 2, we need to wait a while for the engine to cool down. Okay, it should do 2 tomorrow. Well, I'm not saying much of a drop. I'm just saying like that pressure is quite like we're kind of cutting it close to how much we need to copy it. Just like me, ain't no yeah, by the end we were like 20 knots down.
What are we waiting for locksmith?
About 51 and a half. Justin's doing that right now. Give us 1 second. We don't have continuity.
We try to let this one back in.
I think it's my brain issue at this point. I think it's not because of the cables. It's not an issue with this. It's an issue with some part of the cable. I don't think it's an entire issue.
That greenish-orange connection. They flip the power close together. The whole cable itself.
Yeah.
You can connect each end of the engine together, and you can measure resistance right here. Take the top connection between the orange line and the blue line.
No, Aiden knows that because he asked Matt to do that.
Okay.
So, yeah. Please hold.
Not seeing anything.
Nothing.
On the cable? Can we run a new cable?
I think it's an issue in the actual cable itself, not the power grain itself. I want them to
Use the PR cable.
I want them to take the power supply ours. We keep
the power supply here. They take
I want to hook up the power supply here, and then they take the multimeter out and check voltage.
Okay, can we have one red team member please come back? Justin wants to hook up the cable to the power supply here, and then you guys will take the multimeter and connect it at the other end of the engine and see if we're getting continuity there, or see if we're getting power.
Confirm that the igniter is disconnected before you do anything.
Lasers on both.
Lost tank weight is 49.5.
You said both, yeah?
Yeah, Aiden will know. Aiden will know. Can Tell them to tell me when it's disconnected.
Okay, so can you guys please disconnect the cable to the power grain and let us know when so that we can connect it up to the power supply?
It's not possible.
Okay, they need to hold the multimeter up to the supply.
Please repeat.
We can't disconnect the power grain with the cable.
Oh shit, because they hardwired it.
Please do a continuity check without the power. I'm coming back.
They probably already
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm hanging out up here.
Great.
Do they want me to do a continuity check now, or?
Yep.
We're running a continuity check now.
You're not doing anything.
We're not getting anything.
What's going on?
Okay, I'm gonna cut the wire again and try to just completely redo this connection.
They've just been fucking serious.
Copy that.
What about the power pole?
What goes on with that little junction thing on
It's a power pole.
The power pole is taped together.
That's why I think that.
Let's probably redo that too.
Could you hardwire that one?
Yeah, let's hardwire the power line.
Okay.
Make sure they understand which.
Do we have wire filters here? Sean, do you want the honor for doing that? You probably know better than I do. I don't want to fuck it up.
Yeah.
We're going to later.
Yes. Yeah. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have one of them go out
Wire
to
strippers and
the wire, strip it, and then
power
pull
hot
it on
on.
the phone. Yeah.
Just have him do it. That's what he's doing.
If there's copper touching copper, it should be fine.
You would think.
Matt, give him your PPE.
What?
No. Matt, give Jackson PPE so that he can go out there to the cable.
Okay.
Because he's doing it, is he not? Alright. Lock tank rate 47.5.
Confirm the plan.
Put some pep in your step. Have a little coffee.
Ian, just to confirm, I'm going out to you right now, correct?
Just go out, yeah.
Aiden doesn't know yet.
He's probably busy.
Tell him what you do.
So repeat that. Okay, sorry, thank you.
What pressure do we do? Dude, still. Oh yeah, we're pressed down. Yeah. We're not gonna have any leakage. What? Yeah. Well, if there's anything pushing locks out the doer, it's neck.
Now, can you check the junction thing for the wire pull, right?
Oh, it's blue and orange?
Yeah, like the junction.
The junction between these two lines.
Yeah, I couldn't see anything exposed. I pushed them together, but they were taped together and I didn't want to undo the tape. So I didn't see.
This is like.
So what I was trying to describe to Aiden was, so this was going into the engine. This plastic cover came off.
Yeah, and exposed the social part inside.
Yeah, and so I put it back on and it was like a burn connection and I showed him and he was like, no. And so he just kind of dropped it all off. But that was on the engine.
Trying to hardwire it. Every time they cut it, it just breaks the wire. I need a better one.
Yeah.
Have them
That
touch.
junction was like looks solid. I couldn't see anything.
Justin, have them touch the bare ends together for a continuity test so we can verify if it's in the cable or if it's at that end.
This is what I'm worried about is, so when you go out there, have them touch conveyor and touch it, but at the junction. Like when you actually open it up, it's gonna go on. So have them touch
I didn't lift it up, but I can go throw his stuff on and check it. Jack, can I put face shield and the apron on and go down to the junction?
No,
And
we're
apart?
doing a continuity check at the end, and then that'll tell us where it is.
Yeah, after this, I want if you can over Christmas put together a like need to know electronics training that I want all registered members to take because I want them to have I want them to have a good knowledge because none of them know how like power ports I don't know how power ports work properly, how they're seated, how they're connected, all that stuff. Just like just that
highway situation.
I know.
Yeah,
but it's, I just mean like not just this, but there's other electronic stuff that can go wrong or has gone wrong in the past. Teach us about why it went wrong, what went wrong, that kind of stuff.
So Jackson, you confirm when they're doing the continuity check.
Jackson, can you please confirm when they're doing this continuity check?
Yeah, we're working on wires right now.
You can ask as well because you know this a little bit better than I do. So yeah, you need to ask.
Tank went out.
47.
Aiden's on his last wire.
Sure, literally. Yeah.
There's one more that's been unpassed.
One more Aiden wire.
Yeah, one more wire for Aiden to crack.
We're on live stream, by the way.
Or voices, or is it radio?
One more wire?
Voices.
And I
Right on,
made
I'll
really
scan
tight
it.
connections over here. I'm going to touch the ignition wire to itself, so the power drain is not going to get touched. I'm going to touch the ignition wire I'm holding to itself to see if you get a continuity check through that.
Okay, let us know when they're connected.
Ready. Check continuity.
Checking.
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
I mean, it's in the.
It's in the junction.
So most likely that the issue is within the junction of the cables.
We should push them together first and see if we get
I'm touching
continuity.
the copper wires directly together.
Or not. I was thinking just try and push them together.
We're still not getting continuity over here.
No, it's not going to work.
We're going to have Jackson and Sarge do the same thing that you're doing at the junction until we get continuity there.
Okay. Until you get 69. Yeah.
Or you could,
I'm plugging the igniter wire back into the power drain.
That's what happened on the other one. Yeah.
Okay, copy.
That's what happened on the other one.
And on the factory one, just in case.
Yeah, so, okay. Well, they're already
Perfect.
probably done. So I can search it out. So.
You know Hotfire.
first, you know, study day, we should make a proper.
Yeah.
Study day, bro.
It's fucking study day.
At the junction, is it black to black or red to black?
That's a Justin question.
Justin, that's for you.
Black to black or red to black?
Connected in the, it's black to black.
Oh, I'm going to go plug the wires together.
Yeah, one of them.
Justin's saying black to black. Do a check. Okay, we're checking now. We've got continuity. Can you repeat that?
He's wiring it.
He's putting it to the igniter. Okay, copy. We'll wait for continuity to check again.
Right, 46 miles.
46 pounds.
No proximity.
He's
I
connected.
don't think he's finished yet.
Alright, go ahead and check continuity.
Checking. Yes, we got continuity.
Alright, I need some duct tape and then we can go.
Duct tape and then we'll go. So Sachi's getting it. Alright, lock in. Alright, we gotta adjust the rigs and...
Yeah. Please remember that we need to reg down. I will call out the reg pressures for the lock side.
Yeah, set the rig up.
I'll start doing that. I'll let you know when I'm ready.
815 on fuel projectile box.
Whenever you need.
Okay, red team, slowly regulate outlet pressure of R1 down to 825. I'll give call outs every 5.
Regging down R1.
$854. 8 we got stop.
That was really laggy.
Okay, do it a little bit more. We're at 834.
Who's doing this?
Jackson.
Stop.
What are we reading?
We're reading 826. I think that's good. Please go over to R2.
Break. Justin, check for continuity.
Checking. We've got continuity.
Okay, well, let's check and review everything back now.
Okay, Jackson, please slowly reg out R2, 815 psi. We are currently at 800, so it will not be very much. 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can go a little bit more.
That ignition wire needs to be redone. The copper is broken and old.
Please drop a little bit more. We're at 811.
Easy.
812. 813. 814. 815, you're good. Aiden's taking over back over control at T-Con.
Justin, give me another continuity check.
Thank you, Jack. Well, let's create a new log file.
Yep.
That's
Okay, we're good.
Good continuity, 825.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, we've locks loaded, right?
Yep. 44 pounds, 45 pounds.
Moving into tank pressurization. GC grade new deck log file.
New deck log file 1359.
All steps in Op 60 have been completed. Red team done all PPE listed for Op 70. Yep. I'm just going to walk through it. Regulate set pressures has been done. Regulate R3 has been done. We have 225 in the first bus. R1 has been regulated. PR equipment is set up. Personnel are back to control room. Hot fire sequence will be a 200 millisecond aux lead followed by a 3-second hot fire followed by a 250 millisecond fuel rich shutdown. GC, verify PV7 is closed.
PV7 and PV3 are open.
GC, close PV7.
Closing PB7.
GC closed PB8.
PB8 is closed.
Alright, hold on, I'm just gonna verify before we pressurize fuel tank.
GC verified. PB8 is closed.
PB8 is closed.
Verify PB7 is closed.
PB7 is closed.
Pressurizing fuel tank. GC open S6.
Opening S6.
Are our locks rolling?
Alright, tanks have reached pressurization. Actually, we're gonna hold for just a couple seconds. Alright, gonna proceed. GC verify PB3 is closed.
PB3 is open.
Close PB3.
Closing PB3.
GC verify PB4 is closed.
PB4 is closed.
GC verify PB9 is closed.
PB9 is closed.
Pressurizing lost tank. GC open S5.
Opening S5.
Expected B1 leakage.
Give me the binoculars.
Why is our reg group?
Tanks are pressurized at about 650 psi.
Reg is just not gonna recover from. Okay, we'll go.
GC open PB1, PB5.
Doing an auto sequence, got purge 1.5 seconds. Executing.
You haven't opened PB1, PB5. Don't run that.
GC open PB1, PB5.
PB1, PB5.
Okay.
We're gonna skip here compressor checks. Alright, GC create new deck log file.
Creating new deck log file. 1402.
Alright, ops and op 70 have been completed. We have a clear view of the test stand. GC to Gox purge sequence. Actually, hold on. GC, I want you to manually open PB9 for 1 second.
Okay, what's the box?
PB9 open and then closed.
Yep. Yeah, we're purged. Alright, Gox purge complete. Justin, on your count, give us a 5-second countdown followed by ignition. After ignition, I will yell fire, at which time we will start the hot fire auto sequence.
Ignition in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Check continuity.
Checking continuity.
That igniter also might just be old as hell. It is old as hell. It might be completely oxidized and done. No, there's nothing we can do. Right.
No time. No time.
Alright, we have lost continuity with the igniter. We're going to call in abort. Oh, and my ring position. I gotta remember it. We have lost continuity with the igniter. I am now calling abort, abort, abort. Moving into safe sequence. GC create new deck log file.
New deck log file 1404.
Verify steps on op 90 have been completed. Red team down all PB, listen for op 90, including face shield, ear pro, leather Phillips, apron, lab go. GC, PV1 and PV5 close valve.
Closing PV1, PV5.
GC, close S5.
Closing S5.
Ma! No.
GC, close S6.
Closing S6.
GC, PV3, open valve until PT3 and PT4 read 0. Loud venting.
Opening PV3, loud venting.
While we're venting the lock tank, GC, go ahead and open PV7 to vent the full tank.
Opening PV7, loud venting.
GC, PV3, close valve. Hold on that. PV3. PV3. We're still gonna see some. GC, go ahead and close PV7.
Closing PV7.
GC, close PV3.
Closing PV3.
GC, open S1 and S2 for 5 seconds and then close.
Opening S1, S2 for 5 seconds and then close.